Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fluento, Everyday English for Real Life. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. We're very happy you're here with us today.
David, can I ask you something?
Of course. What's on your mind?
Do you ever feel like you collect words, but they just sit there?
Sit where?
I don't know. Somewhere in my head, like boxes I never open.
That's an interesting way to say it.
I write them down. I even remember them sometimes, but when I need them, they hide.
They hide from you?
Yes, like children playing a game.
I understand that feeling. It's frustrating.
Very frustrating. Yesterday, I wanted to say something to my neighbor, a simple thing, but the word disappeared.
What did you want to say?
I wanted to compliment her garden. I know the word. I learned it 2 weeks ago.
And?
I just smiled. I said nothing.
But smiling is good.
Yes, but I wanted to use my English. I felt disappointed in myself.
Anna, you're being too hard on yourself.
Maybe, but I spend time learning. I want the words to be alive.
Alive. That's a beautiful way to think about it.
You know what I mean?
I do. Words should feel like tools you can pick up and use.
Exactly. Not just things I recognize when I see them.
So, what do you think the problem is?
I think I learn words like I'm collecting stamps.
Stamps?
Yes, I look at them, I appreciate them, but I never send a letter.
That's very poetic, Anna.
It's true, though. I need to send letters.
So, you want to use words more in real situations.
Yes, but I don't know how to make that happen naturally.
Naturally is important.
It is. I don't want to feel like I'm performing.
No, of course not.
So how do you do it? You always seem comfortable with new words.
Me? I don't know if I'm comfortable. I just try things.
What kinds of things?
Small things. Very small.
Tell me.
Well, lately I've been having conversations in my head.
In your head?
Yes, when I'm doing something boring, like waiting for the bus or washing dishes.
What do you talk about?
Anything. What I did that day, what I'm going to cook for dinner.
In English?
Yes, in English. And I try to use words I learned recently.
Does it work?
I think so. It makes the words feel more personal.
Personal. I like that.
Like they belong to me now, not just to the page.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Last week I learned the word grateful.
That's a nice word.
It is, and I wanted to use it. So while I was making tea, I thought about things I'm grateful for.
In English?
Yes, I said in my mind, I'm grateful for this warm kitchen. I'm grateful for my health.
That's lovely, David.
It felt good, and now when I think of that word, I remember standing in my kitchen with my tea.
So the word has a home.
Yes, a memory attached to it.
I never thought of it that way.
It helps me. Maybe it could help you too.
I want to try that, but what if I make mistakes in my head?
Then you make mistakes. Nobody hears them.
That's true.
Your thoughts are a safe place to practice.
I worry too much about being correct.
I know, but correction comes with practice, not before it.
You're right. I need to be kinder to myself.
You do. Learning is messy. It's supposed to be.
Messy. Yes.
There's something else I do too.
What's that?
I narrate my day sometimes.
Narrate?
Like I'm telling a story about what's happening.
Out loud?
Sometimes out loud when I'm alone, sometimes just quietly.
What do you say?
Simple things. Now I'm opening the window. The air is cool. I can hear birds outside.
Like describing your life.
Exactly. It makes ordinary moments into English practice.
That sounds peaceful.
It is, and it's easier than trying to study from a book.
Because you're just living.
Yes, living in English instead of studying English.
I want that, to live in it.
You can. Start small.
Small how?
Pick one word, just one, something you want to use.
Okay, let me think.
Take your time.
The word cozy.
Cozy. That's a wonderful word.
I love how it sounds, but I've never actually said it to anyone.
So use it today. Find a moment.
How?
Notice when something feels cozy. Your sweater, your chair, the lighting in a room.
And then?
Say it, even if you're alone. This room is cozy. I feel cozy here.
Just like that?
Just like that. The word will start to feel like yours.
It sounds so simple when you say it.
It is simple. We make it complicated in our minds.
I do that. I make everything complicated.
I know the feeling, but language is for living, not for perfecting.
That's a good reminder.
I have to remind myself, too, all the time.
Really?
Of course. I still feel nervous sometimes. I still forget words I know.
You do?
Yes. Last month I was at the doctor. I couldn't remember the word for ankle.
What did you do?
I pointed at it. I said, this part of my foot.
And the doctor understood?
She did. And then she said the word, and I thought, oh yes, ankle. I know that word.
So, even when we forget, we can still communicate.
Exactly. That's the important part.
I put so much pressure on myself to remember everything.
We all do that, but memory isn't perfect.
No, it's not.
So we find other ways. We describe, we gesture, we try.
And people usually understand.
They do. Most people are patient.
I hope so.
Think about when someone speaks to you in their broken English. Are you patient?
Of course I am.
See? Other people feel the same way about you.
I never thought of it that way.
We're all just trying to connect.
That's true.
The words are tools for connection, not tests to pass.
Tools for connection. I like that so much.
So do I.
David, do you think it matters where we practice?
What do you mean?
Like, is it better to practice when I'm out in the world, or is home okay too?
Both are good. Different, but good.
How are they different?
At home, you can be gentle with yourself. You can repeat things, stop and start.
And outside?
Outside, there's real life happening. It's less controlled, but more exciting.
Exciting makes me nervous.
I understand, but exciting can be good nervous, like energy.
Maybe.
Have you ever tried using a new word when you're buying something?
Like at a shop?
Yes, it's a simple situation, low pressure.
What would I say?
If you learned a word about food, or color, or size, you could use it.
Can you show me?
Sure. Let's say you learned the word ripe.
Okay.
You're at the market. You want to buy a mango.
Yes.
You can ask, are these mangoes ripe?
That's all?
That's all. One sentence, one new word in a real moment.
And if the person doesn't understand my pronunciation?
Then they might ask you to repeat, or they'll point to the mangoes and say something to help.
That doesn't sound so scary.
It's not. And afterward, you'll remember that word forever.
Because I used it for something real.
Yes, you needed it. You said it. It worked.
I want to feel that.
You will. Just take the chance when it comes.
Okay, I'll try.
That's all you can do. Try and see what happens.
What if I freeze? What if the moment comes and I stay silent?
Then that's okay too.
Really?
Really. There will be another moment, and maybe that time you'll be ready.
You're very patient with me.
You're being brave by even thinking about this.
I don't feel brave.
Bravery isn't fearlessness. It's doing something even when you're afraid.
I like that definition.
Me too.
Can I tell you something?
Always.
Sometimes I practice sentences in my head before I go somewhere.
Like rehearsing?
Yes. Is that strange?
Not at all. That's very smart.
Really?
Of course. Athletes visualize before they compete. Actors rehearse before they perform.
I never thought of it like that.
You're preparing yourself. That's good.
But sometimes I prepare the perfect sentence and then I can't use it.
Why not?
The conversation goes a different way.
That happens.
And then I feel disappointed.
But you still learned something.
Did I?
Yes, you learned what you wanted to say. That's progress.
Even if I didn't say it?
Even then, next time the situation might be perfect.
I hope so.
And in the meantime, you have that sentence ready. It's waiting for you.
Waiting like a friend.
Yes, exactly like a friend.
David, do you ever talk to yourself about your feelings in English?
Sometimes. Why do you ask?
I tried it once. I felt silly.
What did you say?
I was sad about something. I can't remember what, and I tried to name the feeling in English.
That's actually very good practice.
Is it?
Yes, emotions are important. When you can name your feelings, the words become deep.
Deep?
They touch something real inside you.
I felt that a little bit.
What did you say?
I said, I feel lonely today.
And how did that feel?
Strange, but also relieving.
Because you expressed something true.
Yes.
That's powerful, Anna. Language isn't just for happy things.
No, it's not.
It's for all of life. Sadness, joy, frustration, hope.
When you say it like that, it feels important.
It is important. You're not just learning words, you're learning to express yourself.
I want to remember that.
Write it down if it helps.
Maybe I will.
There's one more thing I do that you might like.
What's that?
I whisper to myself when I'm cooking or cleaning.
Whisper what?
Whatever I'm doing. Now I'm chopping the onion. The knife is sharp. I need to be careful.
Like thinking out loud.
Yes, but very quietly.
Why quietly?
Because I live with other people. I don't want them to think I'm strange.
That makes sense.
But even whispering helps. My mouth moves, my brain hears the words.
It's like making friends with the language.
That's a beautiful way to say it.
I think I want to try that.
You should. It's very calming.
Calming?
Yes, it makes ordinary tasks feel, meditative.
I could use more calm in my life.
We all could.
David, thank you.
For what?
For making this feel possible.
It is possible. You just needed to talk about it.
I did. I needed to hear that it's okay to start small.
It's more than okay. It's the best way.
Small and real.
Yes, real is what matters.
I'm going to use one word today, just one.
Which one?
Maybe cozy, or maybe something else. I'll see what the day brings.
Perfect. Let the moment choose.
And if I forget?
Then tomorrow is another day.
Another chance.
Exactly.
I feel lighter now.
Good. Language should feel light, not heavy.
You're right.
Just remember, every time you try, you're growing.
Even when I'm alone in my kitchen?
Especially then. That's where it starts.
In the quiet moments.
Yes, in the ordinary moments of your life.
I can do that.
I know you can.
Thank you, David. Really.
Anytime, Anna. We're learning together.
Together. That feels nice.
It is nice.
Maybe next time we talk, I'll have a story to tell you.
I'd love that.
About using a word in the wild.
In the wild. I like that.
Me too.
Well, I should go. I have things to do.
Me too. I'm going to make lunch, and maybe I'll whisper to myself.
See, you're already starting.
I am, aren't I?
You are, and I'm proud of you.
That means a lot.
Take care, Anna. Be gentle with yourself.
I will. You too, David.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, and thank you again.
Always.